Okay students, now we'll study about adaptation in tropical rainforest areas. Tropical rainforest, they are those areas which have dense evergreen forest. जंगल जिसे आप कह सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा घने जंगल में whatever animals live, they are called tropical rainforest animal. Like you see monkeys there, toucan bird is there, then there are several predators are there, tigers, leopards, they all are found in tropical rainforest. Okay, so now what are the adaptations? What features in their body makes them to adapt? The first feature is most of those animals or almost all those animals will have a prehensile tail. There will be a tail at the back which will help them grasp the tree branches. जो branches को grasp करने में help करता है, prehensile tail. Then some of those animals will have a long beak like toucan bird. So this long beak will help them to reach the fruits and from the branches, and they can feed on leaves also. Okay, then a very important quality of tropical rainforest animal is camouflaging. Camouflaging means they change their skin color with the surroundings. Whatever color surroundings should be there, they would change their colors. Okay, your work is you will find out one example of a animal who has this quality of camouflaging. It is very common, but you have to find it out. Okay, I'll give you one of those questions as an assignment also. So camouflaging means that animals, they change their color as per the surroundings. Okay, then sense organs, the animals which are there in your tropical rainforest, they have a sense of smelling. Okay? They have a sharp eyesight and sense of smelling with which they help to find food and be aware from their predators. Okay, then some of those animals have a long tail, like I told you. Some have some are good climbers, like your lion-tailed macaque in India. It is found, it mainly feeds on fruit, so it has a good climbing ability. So all these factors are present in those animals which help them to survive in those tropical rainforest areas. Like first, they have a prehensile tail which helps them to grasp trees and branches. Second, they have a long beak, most of the animals, so they would help, it will be helpful in reaching to the fruits. Third is they have a camouflaging ability inside them with which they protect themselves from predators. Then one more quality is that they are arboreal animals. Arboreal animals means they are adapted to live on trees. Okay, they get their nourishment, they get their food from the trees. Then they have a great sense of smelling, and they have a sharp eyesight. Okay, so these are some of the adaptations in tropical rainforest animals. Examples are elephants, tigers, toucan bird, lizards, snakes. They all are found in those areas. Now the last topic of your chapter is adaptation in hot desert. The hot desert, you know very well that what are the climatic condition in desert areas. Very hot, very humid. Summers are very extreme. Winters are moderate. Okay, winters are moderate. So what is the first quality that comes to your mind when you hear, what is the first animal rather that comes to your mind when you hear about hot desert? Any guesses? Yes, it's camel. Camel is the animal that comes to your mind when you talk about hot desert. So basically adaptations क्या होते हैं कैमल में? कैमल में के बॉडी फीचर्स में ऐसी कौन सी बात होती है जो वो हॉट डेजर्ट में अपने आप को अडेप्ट कर सकता है? लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट एडेप्टेशन इन कैमल इज दैट लिम्ब्स. जो कैमल के हाथ पैर होते हैं, लिम्ब्स, दे आर लार्ज पैड्स. उनके आपने अगर पैड देखे होंगे नीचे, दे आर वेरी लार्ज विच हेल्प्स देम टू वॉक ऑन हॉट एंड स्लिपरी सैंड. डेजर्ट में सैंड होती है, उस पर चलने के लिए जो लिम्ब्स, वट एवर limbs are there, उनके जो padding होती है limbs के नीचे, this is very large, so it helps them to walk on sand. We cannot walk on sand properly, हम चल ही नहीं सकते ज़्यादा. Why? Because our limbs do not have that large pad. Second, it has a hump. आपने देखा होगा कैमल के ऊपर बैक साइड पे एक निकला हुआ पोर्शन होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड hump. What is the function of that hump? It stores the food. Whatever food camel eats, it gets stored in the hump in the form of fats. In the form of fat. Therefore, a camel can survive without food for a long amount of time. Okay. Then camel drinks a large amount of water also and can store up. It can drink up to 40 liters of water in one time. और अपने स्टमक की वॉल्स में it stores that food, that water. So when you walk on a camel can survive for almost say 1 week, 8 days, 10 days without water because it is storing the water in its stomach wall. Okay. Nostrils, जो nostril होती हैं camel में flaps होते हैं. Whenever there is a dust storm coming their way, those nostrils get closed. और dust storm की जो dust है that does not enter into camel and it keeps on walking in that dust storm also. And one more quality of camel is that it adjusts to the surrounding air. जो आसपास की air है camel की air है उसके हिसाब से it adjusts the temperature के हिसाब से it adjusts its body temperature also. So students, first of all you've studied about पोलर एनिमल्स. पोलर एनिमल से पहले आपने पोलर क्लाइमेट के बारे में, पोलर रीजन्स के बारे में पढ़ा जो बहुत हॉट होते हैं, बहुत कूल होते हैं, बहुत एक्सट्रीम कूल होते हैं. देन आपने अडेप्टेशंस पढ़ी. पोलर बियर में क्या ऐसी फीचर, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स इन पोलर बियर्स दैट हेल्प्स देम टू अडैप्ट इन द पोलर रीजन्स. देन यू स्टडीड अबाउट अडेप्टेशन इन पेंगुइन्स. देन यू स्टार्टेड टू स्टडी अबाउट tropical rainforest animals where they have arboreal habitat, long beak, prehensile tail, camouflaging, sense of smelling and sharp eyesight. Then in the last you studied about hot desert, very hot climate, and the one animal that comes to your mind. There are several other animals also which are there, but we'll study about camel here. Adaptations क्या है camel में? Their limbs have large pads which help them to walk on hot and slippery sand. Second feature आपने क्या पढ़ा? What is second feature? Camel has a hump which stores the food in the form of fat. So if they don't get food for long, they can survive. Third is the camel can drink 40 liters of water at one time and can store water in their stomach wall. So for weeks it can stay without water in desert. Then their nostrils have flaps which close when there's a dust storm, so they can walk in the dust storm also without any problem. And the last you studied the camel adjusts its body temperature along with the temperature of the surrounding. Okay, there are 2-3 more features also, but mostly these are the 5-6 features that are of your importance. Okay students, with this we come to the end of chapter 8, which is weather, climate and adaptation. Kindly complete your assignments whatever has been given to you and thoroughly revise by going through all my videos of chapter 8. All the topic of your chapter 8 are covered in these videos. Kindly go through it. You will not require any book or any copy for understanding, although you can go through your book for detailed study, but this would be sufficient. Okay, kindly do the assignment which I'll send after this. Okay, thank you so much students, and in the next class we'll start with the next chapter. Okay, thank you so much.